Welcome to Pensacola Beach, and welcome to the PensacolaBeach.com metaverse app powered by GeoWiz. It's designed to help you get the most of your visit. Let me introduce you to Fred. He's a blue heron that lives on Pensacola Beach and will be your guide around the app and around this amazing place. After you have downloaded the app, you need to register an account. You can explore Pensacola Beach and play the games as a guest. But to earn and keep your points or possibly win prizes, you need to have a registered account. We protect your information. Since the app is designed for kids and adults, we comply with the Children's Online Privacy and Protection Act. So, we are required to send you a confirmation email and get your response. To make a good impression on everyone you meet in the app, you need a cool look like Fred's. In the wardrobe, you'll be able to customize your appearance with clothes and accessories. By playing games, adventuring, earning rewards, or purchasing from the shop, you can gain new clothes to define your style. These stylish looks will surely impress the new friends you make in the Pensacola Beach virtual world. To join a virtual world, tap on one of the yellow markers and confirm where you want to go. You'll find fun media, scavenger hunts, games, coupons, rewards, and you'll meet other players. Click on the different icons to check your account info, return to the navigation map, see your coupons and collectibles, customize your avatar, check your score on the leaderboard, see your progress on hidden objects, explore restaurant menus, move your avatar, launch mini-games, learn from factoids, and chat with other players. In the local AR mode, the app will guide you around Pensacola Beach when you click on the partner list. Click on your desired destination, and the app will paint a path from your current location to where you want to go. Have a great time at Pensacola Beach. Remember to click on the icons for coupons and offers, fun activities, and helpful information. Watch your surroundings as you play, have fun while you explore, and come back often, from home or at Pensacola Beach, to explore the new features.